How to install film into the Kodak Reels Film Digitizer. Unfold the two reel shafts on the film scanner until they click in place. Pull out the end of your 8mm or Super 8mm film you wish to scan and insert it into the included empty film reel. Next, place the empty reel onto the right reel shaft and attach your film reel onto the left one. Note that Scotch tape can be used to repair film, but do not use a large amount because overuse of tape can cause the scanner to jam. Once the film is in place, connect the power adapter to the scanner and the other end to a power outlet. Next, insert an SD card into the SD card slot. Then, press the power button on the scanner to make the UI appear on the screen. Next, push the film lid tab to the left to open the film lid. Wipe down the film area with the included cleaning cloth before placing the film. Then, slowly and carefully insert the film into the film area under the lid. Make sure the film clicks in place under the black tabs in the film area. Then, close the film lid. Take the film between the two reels and thread it through the front of the scanner. Finally, shift the film type switch back and forth so the film adjusts itself into frame. If you're using Super 8mm film, the switch should end on the Super 8 film selection after moving it. If you're using 8mm film, the switch should end on the 8mm film selection after moving it. How to operate the Kodak Reels Film Digitizer. When the UI appears, you will have three options from the main menu to choose from: Capture, Menu, and Settings. Select Capture to enter video preview mode. In this mode, you have three options: Record, Frame Adjust, and Picture. Choose Frame Adjust to adjust the position or zoom in and out on your film. Choose Picture to adjust the look of your film with options like Exposure, Sharpness, Tint, and Reset to default values. Choose Record to simply start recording and converting your inserted film. If you pause the recording and start it again, the scanner will continue to record the film. If you stop the recording completely, a saved video file will be created. Back at the main menu, select Menu. This will bring you to another screen where your three options are My Recordings, Rewind, and Fast Forward. Choose My Recordings to see a library of saved MP4 files to view. Choose Rewind to rewind your film. Note that the scanner only operates left to right, so reels must swap positions for the rewinding process. Whichever reel you want all your film to end up on should be placed on the right reel shaft. Choose Fast Forward to fast forward through your film. Back at the main menu, select the final option, Settings. In the Settings option, you can view selections and information like Language, USB upload, Erase SD card, Factory reset, and About.